crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I am excited to share with you a package that I received in the mail today. And it is from Island Quilter up in Vashon, Washington. And I ran across their site a couple of months ago, and they actually have monthly subscriptions to, I know you're going to be surprised when I say Tula Pink. But anyways, it's a monthly subscription club to Tula Pink. You actually never know what you're getting. It could be some of the current stuff. It could be some of the older stuff. But it's an opportunity to kind of build out your base, right? So I am excited to be able to share that with you. I did get my first installment, my first monthly club in December. I did share that with you all. I was pretty happy with it. And this is month 2 for me. So it is an ongoing club. It's something you can join, stop whenever. Like I said, I'm new to it and excited because, you know me, I want to build up the Tula and just looking for something different. They also have a Cape club along with a few others. So it just seems different and actually very reasonable compared to some of the other clubs that are out there. And, you know, it's hard to find Tula as far as a membership somewhere. So without further ado, let's take a little look at what is in the package. Now, the problem is I am not as good as Russ, Quilt Meets World, as far as always knowing which collection and that this is from. But we're going to do the best John can today. Because look, guys, this is a lot of fat quarters in this bundle. So, yeah, and these are fat quarters, right? Yes, or maybe these are, no, it's got to be. All right, so here's the first one. And this is from the Untamed collection. And I actually don't think I don't remember necessarily seeing this one. So I'm not going to say I haven't, because you know me, unfortunately I'm getting a little bit more than I have bargained for. I like this lime. I think that is pretty cool. It must also be, it looks like everything in here is from the Untamed collection, which I have a pretty good stash built up already. This is another piece of that collection. But again, I don't think I have that piece either. So it's just a way for me to be able to build up some. I can tell you, I do not have this piece, and I am really, really excited to have this. Look at all those vibrant purples and maroons and lavender and pink and even like a gold orange. Really, really happy with that. And that is part of that Untamed collection as well. Interesting, because I do not have that. This is Untamed Tula Pink. This one is called Rainfall. Sorry guys, I should have told you. This one is called Impending Bloom. This one actually didn't have anything on the salvage. So I can't, I'm assuming it's part of that Untamed collection, but I can't tell you what that is. And this one is, I should have done this the first time, right? You can see that I'm just doing this kind of live and on the spot. It doesn't tell me which one, what this one was called, but that's okay. Y'all get the idea, right? All right, so let's finish out. And then the last one that I stopped right before the last one to show you is Tula Pink True Colors. And again, see, so a little bit different collection and definitely older. But again, it's nice to be able to get some nice cuts of Tula. Not anything crazy, not anything overly expensive, but to be able to get some of the older, more backdated material. So guys, this is a quick short video. I just wanted to share with you, like I said, this comes from Island Quilter up in Vashon, Washington. So far, I've been really happy. This is my second month with them. Will I keep up with them? I don't know, but they're not doing anything wrong. I think I get a good price for that, and I like being able to add to my Tula stash. And as you know, I did have 2 drawers of Tula that I kept in a bedroom chest, basically, dresser. Now I've had to start a third drawer. So I've got all this room to be able to accumulate more Tula. So what a great way to do it. Guys, I appreciate you dropping in. Thanks for letting me share some of my new Tula with you. Hope you all are having an amazing week. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Please do those things that make the YouTube algorithm happy. Thumbs up, bells, all that. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.